channel. My name is Leandah, and how are you guys doing? Hi friends, what's up? What's good? All of you have been asking me, hi Leandah, how are you? I'm back on YouTube. Happy new month, happy new year. I'm back like I never left. I was actually supposed to come back a long time ago, but in my head I was thinking I was going to vlog my sister's wedding, but that went down the drain, so I couldn't vlog. I vlogged, but I just couldn't edit it because it was just too much noise, too much chaos. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I brought to you guys this pink Valentine's Day look. So yeah, it's just simple, nothing dramatic, one of the simplest look I've done in a while. So welcome me back by please liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing with your friends. Let's get into the video. So I've gone ahead and done my brows. We already know the look I'm going for, the pink Valentine makeup look. I'm really nervous, to be honest. I'm never going to lie. I don't know what palette to use. I wanted to use the Morphe X James Charles palette, but that palette has too many. It falls out like too much, like it has too many fallouts, so I'm just going to skip that, and I'll be using the Blossom palette and also Juvias Place palette. Everything I used will be listed in the description box below, just in case. Let's get it. I'm going in with my Fenty concealer. This is in the shade 340, and I'm going to put this on my lid area. And then I'm going to blend it all out. From the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, I'm going to take this brown shade here, and I'm going to pack that on my crease. So on the outer corner of your crease, just pack it like this. So if it's not enough for you, just keep going back and forth. So how is everyone doing? Welcome back. Happy new month. Happy new year, because this is the first time you all are seeing my face on this channel this year. I know I posted like some shorts, but I was just testing it out because I've never done shorts before, so I wanted to see how shorts works. It's just there, just like TikTok and Reels. So going in with my Fenty Beauty Banana powder, I'm going to use that to set my brow area, and then I'll go back in with the same color I used from the Juvias Place, and I'm just going to intensify it. And after that, I'm just going to blend. So after that is done, I'm going to go in with my Peel With base in Rumor 0, and I'm just going to put a tiny bit like this. That's too much. But I'm just going to, you see how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to put a tiny bit like this, and I'm just going to put it here, just so that the eyeshadow is going to pop a little bit. I don't want to give it that cut crease effect. I just want a soft glam, like a very soft glam. So I'm going to go in with my brushes, and I'm just going to blend the outer part here, just so that I don't have that soft cut crease effect. I really don't want that effect for these eyes. I'm going with this pink shade called Suede from the Blossom palette, and I'm just going to tap that on my eyelid area. Like, this Blossom palette is so beautiful, Jesus. Just look at, because I say it's so beautiful because the James Charles palette gives me a lot of fallout. Like, it just keeps falling out. I just keep having like too many fallouts. I don't know if I'm not applying it well or if it's the palette, but I just don't like how it is, to be honest. I'm never going to lie. So I always reach out for my Blossom palette instead. That I'm going in with the same brush I used for my crease area, and I'm just going to blend it out. Remember, I do not want, and I repeat, I do not want that cut crease effect. I'm going to use a clean fluffy brush to blend everything out on the crease area so it looks very clean. I really don't like how there's a demarcation between here and here, so I'm going to go back in with the Juvias Place shade, with the Juvias Place brown shade, and I'm just going to keep packing it on till I am satisfied. So next I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm just going to put it under my eyelid like so, just so I can apply my colors under, because I found out that when I do it after, it doesn't come out nice, and even though it comes out nice, it's not as vibrant. So I learned this from Savannah Silver. Taking the brown shade I used from my Juvia's Place, I'm just going to go in and pack that like that. Yes, like that, just so they all connect. I'm going in with the pink shade from Blossom. I'm just going to put that outside like so. And then using my big fluffy brush, I'm just going to use it to blend them all together. There's nothing hard in this look, just very simple, easy Valentine's Day look. Easy to wear, easy to create. For my eyeliner, I'm going in with the Zaron gel liner. I still haven't changed, it's still the same liner, and I still love it so much. I don't want it to be dramatic. I'm just going to pack that on my very close to my lash line, as close as possible. And then I'm going to go in with the Zaron Lengthening Mascara, and I'm going to use that on my lashes. I am so in love with this mascara. I'm going to leave all the products I use down in the description box. I don't know if I'm going to leave the link, I don't know yet, but I'm just going to leave it. Just look at this mascara. I hope you guys can see, but just look at. Alright guys, lashes in. I wanted to use another lashes, but they were just too big, so I went ahead and used this false lashes. I got these from Glam. So if you're in Lagos, be sure to buy anything you want from Glam. She has various makeup products that are very, very, very affordable, like very affordable. So if you're in Lagos, you can go to her site. I'll leave everything you guys want to know in the description box below, so go ahead and order from Glam. I'm going to use my wipe to take off some excess makeup to clean my eye area, and then I'm going in with my moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm using is by msmetics. Very, very good moisturizer, very affordable, and I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my face. So after that, I'm going in with my Kiss Beauty setting spray. I'm going to cover my eyes so my eyeshadow doesn't break. So next, I'm going in with this Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer Radiance Primer, and I'm just going to use that all over my face. Okay, so this primer is so pretty. Like, I just love how it feels. It's not an actual clear primer. It's like, it has color, so I guess it's a tinted primer. So, oh, nice. Okay. So it's a tinted primer. You can use, I feel like, okay, I think you can use it to cover spots a little bit though, a little bit. So yeah, new favorite primer, Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. Foundation I'm using today is the Nuban Beauty foundation. If you haven't seen my review on this foundation, click here or here. Okay, this foundation is a little too light for me, and that is because I mixed it with a lighter foundation because I don't know what I was thinking in my head. So it's very light and I am not comfortable with it, so I am going to look for a way to tone it down. I guess I'm just going to use a darker powder. You get? Yeah. So for my concealer, be sure to blend your foundation in very well. For my concealer, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Concealer. And to contour my face, I'll be using Ebony Brown by Black Opal. I'm just going to place them here. Contour my forehead like so. Black Opal has the best, when I tell you the best, I don't even know, the best formulas for foundation goes to Black Opal. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. I'm going to contour my nose. I'm using the Black Opal, this Real Technique brush. I'm going to spray my face again. I'm going to allow that sit for a while. If you have the fan, you can use the fan, but I don't have the fan, so I'm just going to wait till it's dry. So I'm going in with my beauty blender and I am just going to blend. Don't worry, I did not forget my eyeshadow. Don't forget your eyeshadow. Remember. So just blend. So this beauty blender is not the regular beauty blender size. This one is from Glam. It's very small. I'll put a picture here if I can see. So I bought two from her, one very small and one other one. But the other one is much more smaller than this. So going into the contour, I'm just going to draw a Y, like alphabet Y on your face, like that. You don't have to put a lot of product on your nose, just a little bit, and then to give you what you want, like so. I feel like I'm really terrible. I really, like, this video is like really, because I really don't know what to say anymore on YouTube. Like, I haven't like made a video in like 5 months. So for the little bit exciting part, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty cream blush. I don't think I've ever used a cream blush before, and this one is okay. I cannot pronounce it. I'm just going to put it on the screen so you guys can see. That's the name. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's kind of red here in person, but it's showing like orange on the screen. I'm just going to take the other side of my beauty blender, and I'm just going to, oh my god, I'm just going to swirl it in it, and I'm just going to oh my god. So now I don't know if I put too much or not, but I don't think I did put too much. How? Okay guys, blushes are life. I really love it. Like, my makeup is coming out really nice. I hope it's coming out really nice on this camera, because if it's not, I'm just going to go back in my contour and make sure everything is in place. I anyways, I'm going back in with my beauty blender to make sure I do not have creases under my eyes, so my powder doesn't start breaking. Oh my god, it's been so long I did makeup. Like, I miss doing makeup. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I really do miss doing makeup here. Like, So now with this small beauty blender I got from Glam, I'm going to use that to set my under eye area. I feel so good. Like, oh my god. So just to avoid using a lot of product, you're setting first, not baking. So you just push it in like that. Remember to set everywhere. So I set here with the Fenty Beauty. Now I don't know why I want to set here with this powder. That's my shade, but let's see though. So I'm setting both places with different powders. Oh my god, this High Guy and Esther powder smells amazing. I cannot get over the smell. Okay, this one has like a really yellow undertone, as you can see. See, yellow undertone, white undertone. So I'm just going to go back in with my Fenty Beauty and I'm going to set it. Okay, now I'm baking for sure. Like, this is extended, but we'll fix it. So everywhere you highlighted, of course you should know this by now, you're going to set. So that's what I'm doing. So to contour my face, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Nutty Bronzer, and I'm just going to put that. Remember, everywhere you applied your cream contour, that's where you should apply this. So using the ABH lipstick palette, I line my lips with this shade here first. It doesn't have a name. I think it has a name, number the 6th one at the back. I'm sure this is a very old palette and it's outdated. I think using the Beauty by AD lip gloss. What I keep calling it lip gloss, lipstick. I'm just going to blend everything together. Final look, still my baby, still an OG. I'm going to go in with bronzed from ABH palette and I'm going to bronze out my face. And this is the final look, guys. This is final look for Valentine's Slay. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. You can share this video, share this video, just share it. It's not cost you 1 naira. Just share this video for people that don't know how to do their makeup and cannot afford makeup artists on Valentine's Day. Okay, tell me your favorite parts about this video and your worst parts. You should not roast me, you should take it easy. But tell me, comment down below what you really liked about this look and what you do not like about this look. Anyways, for me, it was the blush part. Like, the blush had my heart, the cream blush had my heart. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned.